The Belfry of Bruges is an iconic medieval bell tower with 366 steps and panoramic views. And I have to say, the view from the top is pretty amazing. Its historical center is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, famous for its Gothic architecture. I would recommend you try visiting during the low season, late autumn or early spring, for fewer crowds. You can explore the canal by boat tour, which offers unique views of the architecture. Bruges is the capital and largest city of West Flanders, often called the Venice of the North due to its many canals and romantic atmospheres.
Also call it the Bridge of Love due to the many wedding proposals.
Bruges is very walkable. Cars are restricted in much of the old town, and it's so enjoyable walking it. Bruges was a major trading hub in medieval Europe, particularly during the 13th and 15th centuries. Its historical center is now part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site, which is famous for its Gothic architecture. One fun fact I need to mention: Bruges has a beer pipeline that runs underground and which is about 3 kilometers long. They're pretty serious about beer, clearly. Bruges is famous for its Belgian chocolate. There are over 50 chocolate shops in the city. If you love chocolate, that's the city for you, for sure. Don't miss trying Belgian waffles and fries as well, with mayo. It's also known for its Belgian beer. One key point about this town is it's so busy during daytime that it's worth coming early in the morning or late in the evening, like tonight. Like 8:08 is perfect. There's no one around, empty space, no agitation on the water either, because there's a lot of boat traffic for tourism. So if you want to avoid these phases of the day, sunset and sunrise are great. For those who've never heard of Bruges in Belgium, I strongly recommend you have a look into it, because this is worth a visit. This town has so much to offer. This is an old medieval town, not far away from the coast, which is perfect. 20-minute drive, you're already on the coast. There's so much to shoot here on the coast. So I really recommend you have a look at it, because this is worth it. So what I'm going to do is take a few shots of the town and show you what you can get. just by walking in town like here. There's no need of any transport. Just walk around, have a look. There's a lot of water areas where you can have some nice reflection, especially at this time of the day. The sun is behind me, my subject is right in front of me. I've got all the nice reflection on the water. No need of a long exposure, but you can still do some if you want to. Another point is, during daytime, there's so many people around, so many agitation on the water, on land, which is tricky sometimes to access some of these iconic buildings. So it's worth coming later on or early in the morning to avoid that. Bruges is considered as the little Belgian Venice. So for those who like Venice, come around and then you can compare both of them. And by the way, if you haven't seen my Venice video yet, click on the link below, you will find it. There is so many different canals. The architecture is very similar as well. So I strongly recommend to come and have a look. This is a beautiful town to shoot. If you want to compare Venice shots with Bruges shots, it can be very similar. So worth a visit. Now that we've explored Bruges in this video, it's time to head to the Belgian coast to uncover some hidden gems, perfect for minimalist, long exposure photography. Stay tuned as I share unique subjects you can capture and add to your portfolio during my upcoming 4 days workshop happening in the second week of September. And by the way, if you want more information about this workshop, get in touch and I'll give you more details about it.